In everyday life, it sometimes becomes a hassle to park a car in mall's parking lot. Usually, it's difficult to find convenient location where the car can easily be seen while leaving the mall after shopping. Such is the case in the video, where Peter has come to the mall for some shopping for his home. Just when he parked the car, he got a call from his boss. While attending the call, he forgot to collect the wallet from his car. And went straight to the mall without realizing. He came back to the parking lot to collect the wallet, but this time he wasn't able to locate his car as there were so many cars already, and the call distracted him to remember the exact parking spot. After much hassle, he finally found the car and then he picks his wallet to finally do some shopping. While leaving from there, he got an idea to attach the balloon which he bought for his son. So he pinpointed his car with the help of balloon. He attached the balloon with the side mirror from where he can see the balloon hanging upward with a perfect height. Now time for some shopping. Now coming back, he locates his car easily, even from a sufficient distance. And before leaving, he places the shopping bag and the balloon in the car's back trunk. I think this video will help a lot of people to locate their parked cars in no time. This will save a lot of hassle and time for them. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to our channel.